Yeah, welcome. Okay. Have we, have we started? You said? Okay. Okay. On YouTube, Abby? On YouTube. Okay, that's it.
Hello? 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 Is my voice clear now? I'm sorry, let me call him back. Carlos, please join back. I was setting up my system. My phone was having issues, so please join back. I've now set up my system, my PC for it. I wanted to use phone before, but my phone is having issue on the mic. Mic is not connecting well. Hello? Hello? Yes, Carlos, we first talk. Carlos, we first talk before I will now conclude.
You can join it, it's okay. Although that ID I think it's old though, but
You join
you
on.
can join it. It's still pay.
You join on Google Meet. We now share
If you check the
we now share the
recent
screen
activity,
to YouTube. You understand? On Google Meet first, we now share
if you check
the
it,
the screen to YouTube. That's how we do it.
what's the last bit?
On Google Meet, we now share the
Last bit.
you understand? On Google Meet
Last
first, we now
time.
share
Okay, fair enough.
the screen to YouTube. That's how we do it. Hello?
Are you there?
Welcome, cows.
So what next now?
I'm here.
Okay, what next?
The stuff now is that you share your screen. You share your screen. Now connect it to YouTube. Understand? So
Okay.
we now connect.
Just give me
We'll be the one to.
some
We'll
time.
be
Make I copy this link to my laptop so I fit share cause now my
okay.
laptop my screen.
No problem. In the sharp, and also this thing, is scalp stuff now. Scalp trade that we talk about. Something like do like life analysis, even if it's 2 pairs. You do. I will now conclude something like that.
Okay.
You feel me?
I get no problem.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
I'm here. It's me. Carlos went to share his screen. Carlos say we should give him a moment to share his screen from his PC. Hope you have not connected it to YouTube yet. Don't connect it to YouTube yet. You understand? When Carlos is done, don't connect it to YouTube. Okay. Don't connect it to YouTube yet. Okay, no worry. Connect it back, no problem. I thought we wait for Carlos to set up his PC before connecting, but no problem. As you have connected it, connect it back, no problem. You get me? You feel me? Okay. Thank you. Carlos talking first before. Hello, hope my voice is clear. Hello? Hope my voice is clear. House, are you done?
Yeah. I'm trying to share screen.
Okay.
So where can I see that? Where can I see that share screen stuff?
On WhatsApp, let me say.
Okay. I'm on WhatsApp now.
Raj, please show him I'm setting up something. enter my number. This thing don't be finished now.
Okay.
Click on this option. Select your entire key or your Chrome web. What are you using? Let's share the screen.
Can you see my screen? Yeah, let me check. Let me try it. Can you see my screen? You can see it. Wait, can you send me a screenshot of how you are seeing my screen? Is it only the trading view you are seeing? Okay, now you can. Okay. Okay, no problem.
It's only the trading view that we are seeing.
So you can share to YouTube also. Okay.
I'm increasing your voice.
Okay.
Yep, done. Okay, we are live now.
Okay.
Just tell me when I'm gonna mute the mic, okay? So I'm gonna mute my mic so you guys can talk.
Don't worry.
So you guys can talk.
Don't worry. So okay.
So you guys can talk.
Don't worry. So okay. So okay.
Guys, mute your mic. Guys, mute your mic. Guys, mute your mic. Guys. It's echoing right now.
Is this still disturbing?
No. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. It's clear right now.
Okay. So, which coin are we going to analyze today?
Ask chat. You can ask chat. Chat are active right now. If you hear any kind of noise on from my background, tell me to mute the mic. I will mute. Okay.
Okay, that's no problem. So, let's look into new USDT. So first of all, I'll start with weekly time frame. So on weekly time frame, we are kind of bullish on weekly time frame because of this bullish candle here. So this low is still protected. So let's focus on, because we are doing scalp trading, so we'll be focusing on just present market now. So we got a sweep at this point. Sweep, and this market is currently okay. It haven't respected this point yet. So let's go over to daily time frame. So on daily time frame, we still got a sweep, and this place is still protected. Yeah, it's protected. We are kind of going bearish on daily. So on 12 hours time frame, nothing serious. So I go over to 4 hours time frame. On 4 hours time frame, nothing much. So I got a sweep at this point. Yes. I go over to 1 hour time frame. So can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Okay, so on 1 hour time frame, we got a sweep at this point, and the overall chart is kind of bullish, so we should be looking for some buy opportunities here. So we got a sweep at this point. So let me go over to 30 minutes time frame. So on 30 minutes time frame, this is an unmitigated week. And we have imbalance at this point. On this is 30 minutes time frame. This is imbalance here at this point. Okay. So now this market came down, took out this week here, this inducement point here, without any reaction. So this is another sweep at this point. We got another sweep at this point here. Yes. Our market is currently at this unmitigated week. So we should be looking for some kind of buys. So I go over to, and this imbalance need to be filled also. So we should be watching this aspect also. So I'll put S here as inducement, and also be watching this place also. So let's go over to 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame is showing us some bearish movement while the overall market trend is bullish. So let's watch out. We got this break of, let's wait for a valid break of structure here. So I don't want to go over to 5 minutes, but let me just check 5 minutes time frame. We also have this point here. So currently now, I'm just waiting for 15 minutes time frame. If I can get a market close at 15 minutes above this point here, I'll be looking to buy from this point here.
That plantain is boiling. Plantain is on fire, they boil. I'm going out though. I want to buy something. Is your phone not working? Why? Off the phone and on it well. Off it.
So for this buy here to be valid, stuff like this, markets come into this position and move up, there must be a bullish close, like a candle close, something like this at this point. If I can get this kind of stuff here, then you know that this place is now protected. This is now a strong low. This point here is now a strong low. You get? So then I'll mark here. Then I'll mark here as my break of structure. Just making things simple, you get? Mark here as my break of structure. So all we have to do is just be patient. If there's a bullish close above this point, then we can buy here. We can use this as our inducement point. Yes. Then we know that this low is protected. So what we'll see is this kind of stuff now. Market will just like this. Tap into here. Then break structure. Then up to this point. So we'll not be targeting. So at this point now, we are not going to be targeting this point here. My target will just be somehow, if I buy at this point, I'll just be targeting here, get, and also here. That's just it. So this is new USDT. So do you guys understand? So if we get a bullish market close here, then we know that we can buy from this point. So buying at this point, we're buying out. So let me type it out so our people can see it. So this is it. So let me remove this stuff. So how many minutes remaining for? Just 2 minutes more for us to get a break of structure. 2 minutes more for this market, this current market candle on 15 minutes to close. You get? So if it close, I'll be placing my order immediately. I will make sure. Yeah, sure. I sent you my link. I sent you my link. You can check it out. Yeah, that one I sent on WhatsApp. So let's wait. It's just remaining 1 minute 58 seconds from break of structure. Then we can be looking for a buy. So if this market didn't close with body, then this place is not confirmed. So and also this is another point to consider. There's imbalance at this point, so we're considering this imbalance also. So I should also mark this point out as my liquidity point also. So 42 seconds remaining. If there's a break of structure, we can buy. If not, we look for another setup or wait for a valid sell. So 11 minutes more, 9 minutes. Only way. Yeah. So market currently closed, but not with body. So this place is not valid for buy yet. You get? We only wait for bullish market close for us to. If there's this point now, it closed with weak, so I cannot consider this place a strong low yet. If there's a break of structure like this here, now, then we can still buy. So let's watch, man. So let's go forward to another coin, another chart, and still wait for this one. Let's go over to, let me check cake. Nothing serious on cake. Rad. Okay, let's some quick confirmation on rad. I have this point here. Let me start from weekly time frame. So on weekly time frame, we are kind of bearish because there's a break of structure here. So after this break of structure, there's a sweep of liquidity at this point. And we have this point of interest on this unmitigated wick, which has not been tapped. Okay, so we can also use this place as an inducement for a sell at this point, because there's no kind of inducement at this point, so I can sell at this point. I can't consider selling at this point because it is not valid for me. So, but I can sell freely at this point and target this place. So let's just continue. So on this weekly time frame now, we got a sweep of liquidity at this point. So after sweeping this liquidity, this week came to mitigate this point here. So after mitigating this week here, we have this week. So let me check for 50% of this unmitigated week. So this week here didn't enter this 50% of this unmitigated week. So I can use this place as my inducement point also. Yes. So what's next? So we have this other block at this point, and this market came to tap this other block. So what's next? I go over to daily time frame. So on daily time frame, after this sweep of liquidity, I got a break of structure at this point. So I go over to, so let's continue from this current market structure now. After tapping this 1 week order block at this point, let me go over to 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, if we can get a break of structure here on this 4 hours time frame now, for us to sell, let me go over to, this place is tapping our 1 week order block. So let me go over to 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, we got a break of structure. This point. And market later came to sweep here. Let me go over to 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame, we got this break of structure here. So I took this sell yesterday at this point, this other block here. I took it at this point, this other block, and my target was here. I targeted here this yesterday night at this point. So, but that's not what we are looking at now. So currently, if this place can go, I can look for a buy. So if we see something like this at this point, take this place, break structure, then we'll buy at this point. So this is what I'm watching at this point now. Buy at this point. Well, for now, let me just remove it. So let me just mark out this point first. So watching this point, market came down at this point, went up, came down, went up, then took this place out, then broke structure. No, not actually a break of structure because it didn't close with body. That was the reason why this low was taken out at this point. So what am I expecting for this RAD to buy? If I want to buy at this point now, what am I expecting is this move here. This market should just come and take this place out, then break structure for me. So after breaking structure, I'll mark this place as my break of structure. So if I get this break of structure, any other block at this point, I can then buy easy. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Can hear you. You are doing well.
So if we get the break of structure at that point, then I'll be
I can hear you. Like how the setting up. Yes.
ये सर कौन है? His name is Carls.
Let's wait. Some people are asking if it's cows.
Yeah. Ganesh Kumar is saying this is not Max, and Michael saying no, it's not Max, it's Cal, sir. Who is Cals? Cals is our god of trading. Am I right, Max?
You're right. You're right.
He's the
Let me
god of
message
trading.
cows.
Did you message him?
Let me message him.
Any group? Yeah, he have a Telegram group. Pin comment. Check your pin comment. And guys, join our group too, okay? And must join Cal's also, okay? Cal's is god of trading, bro.
see, check, connect me for that community again, so I can link it as well. I was like call came in, so I just pick up. So
Okay,
can you,
guys.
Okay, welcome back, Cal's.
can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see. We
Yep.
can see.
We can
Have
see.
you linked it to the YouTube?
Yeah, already done. Did you didn't
Okay.
check?
Okay. So let's check that new first before.
Cal's, did you reply the chat on YouTube? They are Asking for long time. Why don't you reply? Why don't you reply? Cal sir, Cal sir.
Don't worry, I'll be active. Let me check my YouTube.
Yeah, open. You can open your YouTube on your mobile, right?
Yeah. So back to new. So let me go back to 15 minutes. Okay, we got a valid break of structure now at this point. Okay, not yet closed yet. So this is my expectation now.
It's
Just
calc.
1 minute, 15 minutes. 1 minute, 47 minutes remaining on 15 minutes time frame. So for me to buy now, all I have to do is set my buy limit at this point, my stop loss here, then this kind of stuff here. So you can just save it out. Also, I also mark this point as my liquidity point and also as my liquidity point here. So let me go over to 5 minute chart. So I'll be buying at this point now.
Excuse me. So guys, you guys can put order. This live trade that we are doing with cows. You guys can put order.
Joined on. Thank you so much for joining the Cal's Cryptonoid. Thank you so much.
So at this point now, for us to sell now, if we can get this kind of thing again, take this place out, break structure, we can then sell to take out everything here. Our target, if I sell at this point now, my target will be here. I'll be targeting here straight up. Because like we're expecting 15 minutes order flow. Because we got a sweep of liquidity at this point. So that's my two objective now, buy and sell. If we can get the same stuff, if this market take out this place out now, this buy will not be valid again. If this market take out this point out, this buy here will not be valid. This buy will be taken out to buy at this point up. Do you understand?
Yep.
Do you guys understand?
Yes, I'm understanding, boss.
So if this place, like if this market can just do this thing now, take here out without activating this buy here, then know that this buy will be taken as liquidity. That means it will hit their stop loss out. So that's the point now. So if this market could take this place out without activating here, we'll be looking for sell at this point to target this low here. I'll be targeting this low here. But we can get some reaction. The market can just come here and react more, then it will still take it out. So that's our point now. Let's check for our order. Okay, on 15 minutes time frame, we got a break of structure with that before taking this place out. So it is still valid for a buy. So you can place your order. Here now, this stop loss is 1.03%, targeting, we're targeting 2.58%. That means if you're using 20S leverage, if this market hit our stop loss, you'll be having like minus 20%. If it hits our target, you'll be having like plus 50 something percentage. You get? So that's it. Just risking 1% to gain like 2.45 percentage. So that's it. It's just simple. So let's go over. But my main move is, as I'm anticipating a short. My main short is this point here. I just wish this market to just come and take this place out. I'll just sell massively, I swear, down to this place. So let's go over to RAD. Let me just put this stuff here. So RAD is just doing on that thing altogether. So on RAD, 15 minutes. I'm not considering anything here. So I just want this place to go. If this place go, I can buy. Because many people, all these smart money traders now, their orders there. So they buy at this point. They are buying at this point. So I just want them to use stop loss so I can buy. So if they hit stop loss now, I can buy easily without stress. Because they are still in profit now. So that is it. So let's go back to TIA. TIA. On 15 minutes time frame. Let me check for something interesting. So we swept this place and broke structure here. So that was the reason market is kind of buying at this point. So this one is already activated. Let's look for another trade. Let me go over to 1 week time frame. So on 1 week time frame, nothing serious. So on TIA 1 week time frame, nothing serious. We have this unmitigated week at this point. So it should be another point of interest. So I go over to 1 day time frame. So on 1 day time frame, we got this mitigation of this week here at this point. We got this mitigation of this week. So on TIA, on 1 week daily time frame, this market came to mitigate this unmitigated week here. This unmitigated week at this point. So that is kind of showing a bearish movement, and we also have this unmitigated week also at this point here. So we'll go over to 12 hours time frame. So on 12 hours time frame, what can I see now? You can see this kind of break of structure at this point. Then we respected this unmitigated week here. Break of structure. So after respecting that week, the order flow also respected this point here. So the markets went up to mitigate this unmitigated week. So let's continue. Let me just remove this stuff. I don't like how there's too much stuff here. Let me remove this one also. So we'll go over to 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, I got this sweep of liquidity at this point. So after sweeping liquidity, we broke structure. We broke structure at this point, BOS, at this point. So this sell is kind of valid. That was the sell that is currently happening now. So I would have put my sell order here with a stop loss above this wick here. Then I'll just target these liquidity points here, and my second target will be here. So let me just remove it and look for current market stuff. So on 4 hours time frame, we are kind of bearish on 4 hours time frame. So let me look for something more interesting now. So what's next? This place is still protected. This point is still protected. So we should be targeting this point out. Let this place go. So let me go over to. So after this mitigation of this place, no valid break of structure yet. So let me go over to 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, no break of structure here yet. I'm only seeing, and there is no sweep here also. So nothing serious on this RIA, just this sell that is happening now. Just this sell. So let's look for another coin. Just this current sell that is happening here. So nothing serious to look for here. So we'll just be targeting this point here. So to continue this, let me even look for continuation of sell at this point. Let me check for a sweep of liquidity. So this place is still protected. This order flow, this unmitigated order block was respected here at this point. So market came to mitigate 50% of this unmitigated wick. That is this point here. This sell that is currently happening now. So I'll just take out this place. So no valid break of structure. If I get a break of structure here, then I can then sell from here. This unmitigated wick. Then go low. So what I'm expecting now is this stuff. Break structure, activate here, down. So let's go over to, let's check NEO USDT. So currently on NEO, remember this buy is also still valid at this point. Just set your order at this point. On 15 minutes. Let me even give me some minutes to set my order. So if you don't want to take 50%, you can also take 50% of this week here. Here also. Because this order block is kind of big. You can also buy at this 50% of this week. This order block here. And stop loss here. Yeah. So that's my point here. I'll go over to 5 minutes. Okay. Let's look for something else on 5 minutes. So we can still get a sell here. And stop loss here. Or this 5 minutes time frame. So that's sell. Let me place the sell new. Stop limit. I'll be
The
selling at
entry, what is the entry?
12.846. 12.846. Then my stop loss will be at 12.943.
What is the short order?
12.846.
846 and SL?
12.943. So this is 5 minutes time frame, sha. But my main liquidity point is at this point because it has inducement also. It has imbalance also here. So this is a two possible move here. Remember, if markets take out this point here, then it's a 100% sell. 100% sell at this point. That's just it. So let me go over to 15 minutes, which is my main time frame. So I'm waiting for a sweep here. But this sell is just a scalp sell. And this buy also. So if we take out this place out now, we should be looking for buy. We should be, if we take out this liquidity point here, we should be looking for sell, sell, sell to take out this place, I swear. Then target this imbalance at this point here. So let's go over to TIA. TIA, nothing serious. On RAD, I'm just waiting for this place to be taken out. This point here to be taken out so I can look for a buy. So let's check BNS. So on BNS, let me go over to 1 week time frame. Or maybe I can check BTC also. So we are 100% bearish on BNS. So we got this mitigation here. And also this is inducement, clean inducement at this point. We want this place to be taken out for us to sell properly. This place here. So market is just currently respecting this place, but my main bias is kind of bullish. So we got a sweep of liquidity at this point. Okay, market didn't sweep fully at this point. So my target, anything, if I'm buying now, my target will be this point, this liquidity point here. This liquidity point, because this is kind of breakout retest, then sweep. So let's go back to on weekly time frame, nothing serious. Nothing serious. So let me go forward to daily time frame. So on daily time frame, market haven't swept this place out. So this is my double topper. So I'll use double top bottom as my liquidity point. So yes, market should come and take it out for me to buy also. So my double bottom is my liquidity point here. So I should expect something like this. Maybe market will come here like this, take it out, break structure, then I can then buy. So my point of interest should be this point here, this unmitigated wick here. So my stop loss will just be anywhere around here, but I only enter this trade with confirmation because this is daily time frame. So let's go over to sweep of liquidity, yeah,
Okay,
or kind
Neo
of
in
break of
profit.
structure.
Neo short in profit right now.
Near
Yep.
5 minutes. Okay, this is just a scalp trade, sure. Nothing much serious. Let me go over to 5 minutes. So on 5 minutes time frame on new. Just remove this stuff. I don't like all this too much drawing here. So if this cell should break this place here and close below it, then you know that this place is gone. This low here is gone. Market will take it out.
Okay, Kals. One guy is asking, do you have any course? They are asking, will you please reply them?
Do I have any words?
You guys can directly talk with him. Just join his group, so you guys can directly DM him. So
Like any course. For those who want to learn technical analysis also,
yep.
and also my strategy, you can send me a message also. So back to this sell is not 100% confirmed yet because for me to sell fully, market have to take out this point here out. So this sell here can only sell to activate this buy and stuff like that. But my main stuff is this stuff. Come here, take it out, then I can then sell to target this point here. So I should also mark this place as my liquidity point. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I do trade liquidity.
Another thing, Cows, please,
Yeah.
after you do one analysis also for spot traders, coin that you can hold for long for spot traders. Thank you.
Okay. That one will require much research because we'll have to research more on that one. Let me check out this cake. I kind of like this cake somehow. So on weekly time frame on cake, one of my best coin is so. Let me even check it out. So USDT. That's one of my best coin. Okay, yeah. That's one of my best coin way. I don't chop money from.
I'm in
So
profit. Ashivai, thanks. You're welcome, brother.
let's check so.
यार
Let's
जानना
analyze so.
पड़ता है
Let
ना,
me remove
जानना
all these
पड़ता है कि
charts.
कहाँ पे बाई करना
Let's
होता है,
go
कहीं
back
पे
to
सेल
weekly
करना
time
होता है.
frame. So
Enjoy.
on weekly time frame also, what can we see? So on weekly time frame also, we are overall bearish. So current market is kind of being bullish, but the overall trend is kind of bearish. So because markets.
डिस्कॉर्ड अभी मैंने डाउनलोड नहीं करके रखा है रे. डिस्कॉर्ड का लिंक कैसे दूं?
Okay.
अर्शी भैया किस लाइन पे आ गए? अभी गेमिंग छोड़ के फुल टाइम ट्रेडर बन चुका हूँ.
So let's check so weekly time frame is kind of bullish movement. So buying at this point, let's just make some analysis on it. So let me just use Sol buy bits. I don't want to clear my chart. So USDT buy bits. Okay.
जो स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग सीखना चाहते हो ना,
So
उनके लिए
let's
ये
start
देख
up.
लो.
So
हाँ,
on
दिनेश
weekly
याद है
time
ना.
frame, we got this break of structure here. After break of structure, we have this as our inducement point. So we have this unmitigated order block here. So currently, this is the current sell that is happening here. So currently, smart money traders should be in profit now. Those are trades, normal break of structure, inducements, and because this is inducement with imbalance, so this other block is valid. So this is the current sell that is happening now here. But me, I cannot just enter that sell at that point. I don't trade that way. So this is the current sell that
अरे भाई मैं तो बात हो गई भाई, चलो सोचा था कि सबको ज्वाइन करके सरप्राइज करूंगा, अब यहाँ डाउनलोड ही नहीं है भाई, मैंने डाउनलोड नहीं किया
we
है।
also have got a sweep of liquidity at this point. It's not that a sweep. So let's go back to daily time frame. So on daily time frame, market entered this unmitigated week, came down. So after coming down, it came to mitigate. It came to activate this unmitigated week here. This unmitigated week here at this point. So after mitigating this unmitigated week at this point, so let's go over to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, after mitigating this point, we got this break of structure here. So after this break of structure, let me just remove this stuff and put a line here. So and break structure. So this is normal. This is just an inducement point. So any buyer, don't even plan to buy from this point because they will take you out. So this is your inducement point. If you want to buy, this is a clean place to buy.
नहीं रे, आयरन मैन
Clean
लालटू
place to buy.
सबका साला शादी
Inducement
वादी हो
here.
चुका है, आयरन मैन का नहीं हुआ सिर्फ।
This is a clean place to buy. So for confirmation entry, all I want to see is this stuff here.
Which exchange
Markets
is
come to
good,
this point, take
Binance
this place
or
out,
Bybit,
break structure, then I'll buy.
MEXC?
I'll target this point here. So let's just continue on market structure. So after breaking structure, market came to mitigate this other block here, and it's going up 10%. Let me plug mine. So on 2 hours time frame, let me go back to 1 hour time frame.
मैं जब अपने पीसी पे आ जाऊंगा तब डिस्कॉर्ड डाउनलोड कर लूंगा। मैं अभी अभी अपने लैपी पे बैठा हूँ।
So on 1 hour time frame, we got this imbalance here, which was swept. Then a break of structure here. So nothing much serious. So I go back to 15 minutes. So our 15 minutes time frame, I want this place to be taken out. If this place is taken out and there's imbalance, there's an unmitigated order block here at this point. So sellers can sell at that point because we got this sweep of liquidity here and a break of structure. here. So sellers can sell at this point with a stop loss here. So this is a clean, then you target this point here. But I can't set a risky sell at this point. I only enter with confirmation at this point. So this is a clean sell at this point. But I will not just enter at that point like a risky, just come and set my order. I only use this liquidity point if I get my sell stuff here. Then I can sell peacefully at this point. So which coin are we going to check out now?
If anybody watch Ocean or ADA?
Ocean or what?
Ocean.
Okay. So daily time frame. So we got this normal breakout, trend line breakout. I mean, I don't trade trend line. So we are kind of bullish. So since we are bullish, we should be looking for bullish movements now. So we have this unmitigated. Sorry. We have this unmitigated wick here. So we can expect something like this up. So I go back to daily time frame. So on daily time, nothing serious, just kind of liquidity build up. Liquidity build up at this point. So I go back to 12 hours time frame. So on 12-hour time frame, I got this sweep of liquidity, break of structure, BUS. So we got this other block here. So market came to mitigate this other block, then broke structure again. So after breaking structure, market came to mitigate 50% of this week here. So market came to mitigate 50% of this week. That was the second buy that is currently happening here. So we keep going, and this place is still protected. That means we haven't taken, if they take this place out now, they will know that this place is kind of protected. But so far, this place is our inducement point because there is no break of structure yet. So I'll just mark this place as my liquidity point yet, because currently there is no break of structure yet. So this is my inducement point. This is my trap. We call it trap. So we go back to 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, sweep of liquidity, break of structure, entry, break of structure, entry at this point. So no break of structure yet. So buying at this point is not advisable. Any person buying here is not advisable. Though we got this break of structure here. If I can get me buying at this point is not kind of advisable. So let me just remove this stuff. So I go over to 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. What am I seeing here? We got okay on 1 hour time frame. Now let's look for something different. We got this stuff here. We kind of a break of structure. Then we got this point, liquidity sweep also. We can also call it a break of structure. If I change to my line chart, maybe we have turned kind of bearish, kind of. So I can mark this place as my liquidity sweep. Then a break of structure. Then an entry here. So we should be targeting, this sell should be targeting this point here. This current sell now should be targeting, since we failed to create a new break of structure, then we should, I think we have turned kind of bearish. So we should be targeting this point here first. So this market should just come and enter this tap here, maybe before going up. So let me just remove this stuff. So let's just continue the trend. We got this liquidity sweep. Let me go over to 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame now, we got this sweep of liquidity here and a break of structure here. So this is the current confirmation entry that is happening here. 50% of this, everything here is kind of mitigated. The only unmitigated order block here is this point of interest. The only unmitigated point of interest is this unmitigated wick, and 50% of this wick here. So that is the current sell that is happening. 50% of that mitigated block. Put your stop loss here. So let's just remove it. So after getting this break of structure here, sweep of liquidity. So we got another break of structure at this point. Then we also got another break of structure. Okay, after this break of structure, market came to activate this other block here and keep selling. Then we also came again, broke structure here. So after break of structure here, there's no break of structure yet here because this is not a break of structure. So since this market failed to break another structure here, this is my inducement point here. I'll use this place as my inducement point. Yes. So we should be considering a sell at this point.
Okay, Cals, one guy is saying, sir, I love your scalp trade. I'm still in profit.
Yeah, that's cool. So this should be our sell stuff here. Remember, this place, this other block is not valid. Why? Because there's no break of structure. If this market is something like this, even though smart, like advanced market structure, will not even advise you to sell at this point, because this should normally be used as our inducement, kind of a trap. Then we should expect something like this. Market will come to this point, come down, then take them out, all the sellers at this point, take all of them out, enter at this point, then target this point here. So that's it. So this should be where we should be looking for a sell at this point. We're looking for a sell at this point, then target this low here. So you can still mark this place out as a sell order at this point, because this is the current breakup structure. So this should be our sell order at this point. Your first target should be here. After targeting this point here, your second target should be this low here. Then maybe third target should be this liquidity, this higher time frame liquidity point here. So that should be for Ocean. So which other coin should we look into now?
Cats, can I take a
Cows,
screenshot?
can you give me rundown?
Is it?
I'm saying, can I take a screenshot?
Yeah.
Boss, Cows, can you run down stand USDT?
Stand.
We talk about stand.
Stand
Stand
USDT.
USDT.
Stand.
.p.
We planned analyzing that coin together.
Yeah. So they knew I'm in profit on your 19%. Who is also in profit?
How much leverage you just take?
Who is in profit? I'm in profit 9%.
I'm in profit.
Okay, I'm also in profit 9.51%.
Okay, mine is 19%. I use 20 years here.
I'm in profit.
So this should be your first target should be here. See this liquidity point here. This liquidity, I just clicked 20%. So I'll just my first TP take 50% profit at this point. But overall, I think this low should be gone safe. This buy is I'm not kind of interested in this buy kind of now, but you can scalp it. You can scalp it, but for this current sell, we should take out this point. This should be your first take profit here. Okay. This liquidity point here.
Should we remove that buy?
Wait. Let me check the buy. Let me check the buy. Let me go over to 15 minutes time frame. No, the buy is, I think the buy is still valid. Yeah, the buy is valid. Because there's imbalance at this point. This is the main liquidity point. This is the main liquidity point here. So market should come and take this place out before this place should be gone. So that's it.
Cows, you are good, bro. You are good.
So let's go over to Sound USDT. Let me check for that. Any confirmation? No confirmation. TIA, no confirmation yet. BNS, Bluebird. So Sound USDT, we'll go over to weekly time frame. So on weekly time frame on Sound, so that's you can move your stop loss to entry now on that new short, because let me go over to new. The reason is that the main place I want market to take out is this point here. So you can still move your currently market swept this point here. So you can move your stop loss to entry. Can even take 50% profits here at this point, but just know that we need this place to go for sell. So let's go over to Sound. Okay, wait, let me check something on here. So this buy, wait, 1 hour time frame. Okay, on 1 hour time frame, we got this sweep here. Got this sweep here, 30 minutes. 15 minutes, then 5 minutes. So break even should be there at this point. Yeah. Because the main buy, even for this market to buy, it has to take out this point here out. It has to take this place out for it to buy. So the sell is kind of still valid, because this liquidity point should be taken out for market to buy, even though it didn't activate here. We should expect this kind of thing to buy. Take this place out before moving up. So still yet nothing. So let's go back to sounds. Sounds 1 week time frame. So on 1 week time frame, we only got this with, I can see this sweep of liquidity at this point on 1 week time frame. Let me go over to monthly time frame. So monthly time frame, we are just activating at 50% of this order block here on monthly time frame. So that's the current buy that is happening now, because there's a break of structure at this point and there's inducements at this point, kind of imbalance here. So this order block should be valid. 50% is also cool. So that's the current buy that is happening now. So we are bullish, kind of bullish on sound USD. But this bullish market should, if we break structure at this point here, then if we get this kind of stuff here, then you should know that our next target should be here. You should be targeting here. All you have to do is mark your order block here. So I can't say we are fully bullish yet until we close with body at this point. Then all I do is target here. This should be around how many percent? This should be around 191% with 20s. Should be targeting around more than 192 times 20. 192 times 20. Targeting around 3,840%. So that should be a massive fund at that point. So just be watching sound on monthly time frame. If you get a bullish close here, then refine your entry. So let's continue. So on monthly time frame, we are currently buying from 50% of this order block. So let's continue the order flow. I go over to weekly time frame. So on weekly time frame, kind of a double bottom at this point. Okay. So I go over to nothing serious on weekly time frame. I go over to daily time frame. So on daily time frame, we are still bullish on daily time frame. So we got this break of structure at this point. So after this break of structure, market came to activate this order block here. So I'm not interested on all this stuff that happened here. I'm just interested around these points. So let me go over to 12 hours time frame. So after this break of structure here, we got another break of structure at this point. So this is an unmitigated order block. So we should be expecting a buy at this point. So we should be expecting a buy at this point with a stop loss here. So something like this. then here. So that's it. But I'm not interested in this one now. So we got another break of structure, yeah. So we also got another break of structure at this point here. So let's check what market is currently tapping. This tap here, let's check what is currently tapping. So on 12 hours time frame, we are currently tapping this other block here. So let me go over to daily time frame. On weekly time frame. So on weekly time frame, we swept liquidity here. I'll mark this as my sweep of liquidity. So after sweeping liquidity, so market came to maybe 50% of this unmitigated week here, this week here. But this point of interest is still my main priority. I'll also have imbalance at this point. This is an imbalance point here. So imbalance market, this place should also attract market. So this should be my inducement point also. So currently I should be looking for, let's just continue, sure. We have this imbalance at this point. Let's just follow current market structure. So I go back to daily. So on daily time frame, we are sweeping this liquidity point here. So we should be looking for more sell. Sorry, we should be looking for more sell. So I go back to 12 hours time frame. So on 12 hours time frame on sound, this place is kind of 12 hours on stand, nothing serious, just tapping this place. I go back to 4 hours. Okay. So on 4 hours, let me check also for a proper view on what we are tapping. Can you see my chart?
Yep. Yes. Fully clear.
So, okay, so market should normally come and clear all these things, all this stuff that happened there, all this liquidity build up here. Market should come and clear it. But let's just follow current market movement. Current market movement. So new is on 24% profit. Now let me go over to new, because that market is kind of crazy. Let's go over to new. So I think this buy is not yet valid. Do you close your trade?
No. My short is still open.
Okay.
Should
So let
I
me
close
just,
the long or?
you can't, no, remove the long. Is not remove the long yet.
Yep, done.
Okay, this is the current set that is happening now. So I can close 50% profit at this point. I have like 30%, 27% now. So I'm closing 50% now. So I'm closing 50%. So remember, we got this sweep of liquidity here. So you can set a buy at this point. Don't risk too much on this because market is coming with full force. Let me close mine. I have like 29% now.
Okay, that's market momentum. Sell
Yeah.
market momentum.
Yes, I'm closing my shorts now because it have reached my main target. So my buy should be around 12. Don't risk too much on this. Can you see it?
Yep, I saw that.
Yeah.
And
This liquidity point.
I think this will go more down, right?
You say?
This will go more
I've
down.
closed. No, 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 not yet. This buy is kind of activated now. This buy is currently happening because of that break of structure. If markets want to take it out, it will still take it out. You get? It's just reacting because there's a break of structure. Normally, market should respect it. This is it now. So, but don't, because of the imbalance below, this imbalance below, don't risk too much. If you want to risk here, just risk little money here and put your stop loss here, 0 point something percent. So that's claim money, sharp, sharp. Let me go over to 5 minutes time frame. So if this buy should hold, our target should be here. Let me check it out more. Yeah, at this point.
My luck is very bad. I just closed the long when you told me to close.
You see?
You told me to close the long, right?
But
So yeah. So I
your,
closed the long.
your short, you made profit on your short,
Yeah.
right?
Yep. That's why I closed.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you. We all made profit from the shorts.
So
I closed at 25.
Yeah, I close around 27.
One guy
So at
saying
this
he
point,
$30 profit on that short. How much did you
that's
invest?
nice. Enjoy your money.
How much did you invest, brother?
So let's look for something. Let me check RAD for any sharp. Okay, yeah. So this is kind of interesting for me now. I only wait for confirmation at this point. Also, markets took out this point. Interesting. I think money will be made today. My big money will be made today. So all the buyers that bought here, they don't hit stop loss. All of them have hit stop loss now. So market have balanced well. I like when people hit stop loss like this. All these smart money traders. Then I'll now start looking for my buys and sells after they have hit their stop loss. Because majority of them now will be marking this place as break of structure. They mark this place as break of structure. They will mark this thing as inducement. Then they put their buy at this point, which is rubbish, which is stop loss, sharp stop loss. So now, for me to buy now at this point, because I'll be looking for buy now because of their stop loss. So if we get a break, any valid break of structure, I'll be buying. But now, nothing serious at this point. I don't like taking risky buy and sell. So let's go over to TIA. Okay. TIA. Let's for this sell here to be valid here. You can also screenshot this one also.
Wait, let me take the screenshot. It's the short position, right? Cows, hello.
Okay, guys. Carl's messaged me now that he'll be back soon. He went to check off something.
Okay.
So hope you guys are enjoying the trade, the live trade with Carl's. He's actually my
Today,
boss.
too many members, I think, join on Cal's group. I think.
Very good.
I just hurt
Very good.
myself. I just hurt myself. Oh,
Sorry. So guys, our hello.
yep.
Carl's will be back soon. So guys, our group is still open. if you want to learn technical analysis, also to join Signal Group, you can join.
Yep, I
I
already
work with
provide both group. I already
you
got
can
both group.
join. Yes, I work with cows. We do almost the same thing and posts. So you can join either my own or his own Signal Group, anyone. So for if you want to learn technical analysis and be very good on it,
Max,
send me a DM.
Cal's on a god mode, brother. Cal's on a god mode. He just opened his chat and literally he just make his trade in few minutes. I never saw that much fast. I never saw that much fast. It's God speed, bro. God speed.
Cows is good. You don't know cows in person. Now I'll be the one to tell you about cows. I've been with cows for years now. Cows is really good.
Yeah, you told me
That's
already.
why yes.
Okay, guys. So thank you so much for joining the stream. We're gonna stream very soon again. I don't know where or when, but yeah, we're
No,
gonna
we are
stream
still
again.
on the we are still on this, guys. We are still on this. Cows is coming back. He just messaged me now that it's coming back. So you guys should wait to make more
Yep, yep,
profits.
yep. Just wait for a few minutes. Okay, Max, my stream is on. Will you please open the chat on your mobile so you guys can talk with the chat? Okay.
Okay, okay, no
So
problem. I'm coming.
I'm just going to have my dinner. That's why. I'm also watching the stream. Okay, on my phone.
Yeah, good.
Okay, brother.
Okay.
Yep.
So guys, I'll be talking on liquidity and imbalance. So this BTC weekly view, weekly time frame, and market is totally bullish. Market is bullish on weekly time frame. Market is bullish, going up, creating imbalances. This is like me showing you guys the trend. Hope you guys can see me. Hope you can see. So nothing much on weekly time frame. Just let us just mark out there is imbalance here. weekly time frame. Once you see imbalance, that means where there is no candlestick or wick covering the market, when like the candlestick is just someone, let me just say naked, nothing covering it, that's imbalance. It means that market will surely come down to balance it. So you know the point. Imbalance and liquidity normally drag market. What market is always doing is creating imbalance, covering imbalance, creating liquidity, covering liquidity. So we gotta be careful to trade in accordance to this, because without it, you will be the liquidity. If you don't trade, if you don't notice the liquidity to play along with it, you will be the liquidity. So this daily time frame. Coming to daily time frame, there is imbalance here. There is imbalance here on daily time frame. So our market is somehow consolidating here on daily time frame. So actually you are not taking entry from daily time frame, just you are watching what market is doing. Market is somehow like consolidating on daily time frame, but before this market will come down to cover this liquidity, to cover this imbalance, market must take out liquidity of, like, some people that is longing it, some people that are expecting something like this. Market will first take out those guys before coming to cover this imbalance and start going up. We all know that BTC is in uptrend, so it should just be a little retracement and price will continue going up. For this something like this, that's what we are expecting that will happen in the next few days or few weeks to come. So what I'm trying to drive out, I'm not giving you guys any entry on this trade. I'm trying to drive out that market normally come to balance liquidity, to mitigate imbalances before you start going up. Okay guys, look at this point. There was imbalance here. You guys see, so market came back, mitigated it before it consolidated and start going up. So that's also tells you that market always will also come down to this point to something like mitigate this imbalance before going up. Also you guys see here also, once you see imbalance, you check for confirmation on lower time frame and know when market change character, you now place your order to the direction of the imbalance. The market will go there to cover the imbalance before market will continue. If market momentum is bullish, market will continue bullish. If it's bearish, market will continue selling once it covers the imbalance. And also you guys know about liquidity. Liquidity is like where price came without significant structure, like weak coming out to take out people before going. Let me clean up these things. I don't like this. Let me clean up. So guys, there's no much weak on this on BTC. Let me check on some other coin that I will see like weak. Let me show you guys what I mean by imbalance. Thank you. What I mean by liquidity, and also I will show you more example of imbalance there. So I just confirmed from Carlos he's still coming back. So guys, let's check forex pair. Maybe we have also forex traders. Yeah, I also trade forex. I trade forex and crypto. Let's check how this one. Okay guys, look at, we have like a perfect example here of this forex pair GBP USD. I took the market long this buy here. I took it, was it on Friday? On Friday, I took it on Friday. It was a massive profit. So guys, can you see this is daily? I'm just working on daily time frame. If you guys can see this week here is liquidity that is grabbed here. So, and also price normally come to balance liquidity, that is something like mitigate liquidity or mitigate imbalance. So what this thing is showing me is that once market turn fully bearish, coming to this point, market must come up to 50% of this liquidity this week here, daily candlestick week, to cover it. Sometimes market will cover it 100%, sometimes market will cover 50 to 70% of it before market will start going up if there is any change of character. So for now on GBP USD, where market was bullish, was bearish, sorry, market was bearish before market consolidated here. I want to tell you guys something about consolidation. Once you see market consolidating, forming something like equal low, you know that market is looking for a reversal. If market was bearish before and market came to a point and start consolidating, having equal low, or market took out liquidity and came back like with weak and came back to the normal structure, just watch closely. Carlos is coming back in few minutes to complete his own session with you guys. So this is equal low, double bottom. If you are trading chart pattern, they call it double bottom. Actually, I don't trade chart pattern. We don't trade chart pattern, but you have to be aware of it. Just putting all those knowledge together, it will help you to be successful trader, to analyze the market very well. So there is double bottom here. So, and there is a break here, break. So on a daily time frame, here I form some like inducement for us. inducement for us. So we mark out this zone. This is our POI, point of interest. This is our POI. Yeah, that's point of interest for a buy, because market have changed. There is change of character already on this market. Markets have turned from bearish to bullish. Market is now bullish. GBP USD is now bullish. So this is like inducement. You can call it impulse. If there is correction now, once market come down to this zone, you refine it in like 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame and take your buy from there. You take your buy from there. Once market come to this zone, to this point of interest, you now refine it, put your stop loss and take your buy from here, and you'll be targeting. Actually, let me look. Actually, there is no imbalance here, but market will still go up till this point. Hope you guys know normal movement of market. Market doesn't move. Market normally move impulse, like something like this, impulse. If it is uptrend, like impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, forming new high and new lows. So that's what we'll be expecting from this market. This is forex pair. So I saw a short on this today, confirmation for this short, but I did not take it. I don't like trading against the market. Market is now bullish. So I'm waiting for market to come down to my point of interest so that I can take more buy on this pair. It's in my watch list. So if you have any question on any pair to analyze, you let me know. You drop it on the comment section. So guys, once market in the future, maybe ending of this year or beginning of next year, once market turn into bearish and start coming to this point, like once market take out this low, look at it guys, once market take out this low, let me use now. Hello, hope you can hear me. Hello, join this meeting I send it. Hope you guys can hear me. So once market take out this low, Biraj, are you back?
Yeah.
Okay, cows are back.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Let me stop sharing. You can continue.
Can you see my chart?
Let me stop sharing. I'm coming. A moment. Okay, I can see your charts.
So Neo.
Wow, cows, this is massive profit too.
I closed earlier, but I should have known following because of this imbalance below, that this market, I told you that it's coming to target this place here.
Yes, you said it.
So let's.
And also the market. Sorry for the interruption. And also the market momentum while coming to that point was very high.
Was high. So considering buying there, that that current buy that was happening there was just trying to respect that point because market broke structure. You get?
Yes.
So let's look for this is a clean. How many percent? 3%, up to like 60 something percent.
No
So
problem. Opportunity. No.
Rad. Let's check Rad.
Opportunity. No, they finish.
Rad, let
We
me
made
go
profit.
1 hour time frame. TIA. Nothing serious. BNS. 4 hours. Let me check BTC self. I have this. Where is this Euro JPY? This is one of my best forest pairs. Wait, I don't chop money for them, man. One of my best forest pairs. So this is another buy point here. So let's look for so which currency pair, which coin are we going to check now? Who is there? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Which coin are we going to analyze?
Cause these newly launched coins like Meme,
So let me check.
Cyber or Gas. Meme, Cyber or Gas.
Let me check meme.
So I'm looking for a short on Meme.
So
Just check it out.
okay. Weekly time frame. Fully bearish. Daily time frame. Bearish. 12 hours. Bearish. 4 hours. Bearish. We got this break of structure here. 3 hours. Bearish. 2 hours. Bearish. 1 hour. Bearish. So we are currently looking at this point because we have been bearish. So market failed to break another structure. Yeah. Okay. 5 minutes. So let's buy. Let's get some scalp buy now at this point. %50 of this stuff here. Let's use 50% of here. Who is there? Can you guys hear me? Who can hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
So
We can hear you,
let's
boss.
do some scalp trade now. Scalp buy trade here. Our target to be here. Our target to be here. This will be our inducement point. So let me place my order. I'm using 20S. This is another point of interest here. But buying at this point will kind of
What's
be
the
risky.
entry so I can type it in?
I'm coming. Yeah, at this point.
I
So
can't
this
see
should
it
be
fine.
inducement point. So I'm coming. So we should just enter here at this point here. Space is better. Top loss. So entry is around 0.01918390. I'm placing my buy now also. Zero point zero 18390.
Okay, got in.
So stop loss will be around 0.018158. So I'm using 20S for this trade.
Stop loss again, please. 0.01.
0.018158.
Okay.
So this is what we are expecting now. So we should use this place as well. DP. So if stop loss here, we are risking 1% to get 3 points. We are risking 1% to get 4%. So if you are using 20S, if this trade should hit stop loss, your percentage will be around 22% if your stop loss hits. And if your TP hits here, you will be making like 80% with 20S. So that's it here. Man. So let's look for another coin. Or else move this one. Fine. Neo, let me check Neo again. Okay. This was a clean buy at this point. So let's check Neo. 1 hour time frame.
Hello guys, I'm back.
Okay, this is our trade on MEM. You can put it also.
Please tell me the entry and which coin.
Check as mask.
Meme USDT.
I posted.
Yeah.
I posted in the. Yes, I posted it on the
So
on our
let's go
Signal
back
group. It's there.
15 minutes. So this imbalance has been closed. On MEM, and we are still bearish, kind of. So no need to look for buy at this point yet because no sign of buy yet. So we can get some sell at this unmitigated unmitigated order block with inducements here. So sell at this point, stop loss here, target. But let's just focus on MEM first now. If markets approach here, I will know whether we can take this one or not. So RADs, 15 minutes. Let me just check all my coins.
Check our next live will be on TikTok. It will be massive.
Oh, you should provide the TikTok link too, so I can share on this chat.
Don't worry, I'll provide it. Working on it.
Okay. So quick liquidity taking 5 minutes. So let's go back to this was my trade today on this SVS TP. So I missed entry here yesterday night. I was expecting a buy at a sell at this point, but market didn't activate me, so I found another sell here. So TP. Let me even look for another buy. No confirmed buy yet, I think so. But we are bullish on this chart. 1 week.
I acted so abundantly. I gave so much. I was so generous to the people around me, and they deserve it also. Not just their work, pride, and it just all wrote. So this is something I've had to work over the years.
We have this point.
I'm getting back to you. Again, you really can't.
Let me just delete my chart 16. So we have this point here. Another point of interest for a buy. The market didn't come to that point. 4 hours. So on 4 hours. Okay, looking interesting. So this is another point of interest for buy. This unmitigated week. So I go back to 3 hours. Nothing serious on 3 hours time frame. I go back to 2 hours time frame. Nothing serious on 1 hour time frame. Nothing serious. On 30 minutes time frame.
They're always afraid that they will have the process of the money is always hard and stressful because that's what they always experience.
So I hear you.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, we can.
I'm also watching it live. We can hear you.
Yes, we can. Watching it live. We can hear you.
Okay, so we got a sweep of liquidity at this point. So go back to 15 minutes time frame. Let me check for MEM whether we have been activated. I think we have been activated. We're in profits now. Take your profit. Let's watch for profits. So let's go back to which coin are we analyzing before?
That's the question that I asked myself when I was 13. You see,
Let me check this chart. I would have put my entry here at 50% of this stuff here. But that was a chill. Which coin are we even analyzing? MEM, Abi? Or what?
I used to literally just focus there because I couldn't afford to buy one.
Okay.
So I used to go there and start looking at the music for I was reading so much that I didn't really thought about it. Majority of my time. Not here, but in the world of IT. But you need worry.
This coin? Oh, wait. Are you sure? I don't think it is. TIA. No. BNS. Okay. Okay, I think it's this SVS. Yeah, SVS. So 15 minutes time frame. So we should be looking for more buys now, not sell. Looking for more buy. Liquidity has been taken, so buy is kind of okay. Cake. What you want to trade it on Pancake Swap? So let's continue. Let me remove this line.
This is when you need to start to exit them.
For real?
Specific topic of taxing the rich. And the topic of taxing the rich because of taxing the rich.
Yeah. Let's watch. I would have taken my entry 50%. I don't decide to put the stuff here. I would have. Here should be my entry. But I don't want to like miss out stuff like that. But no problem though. Let's move on. SVS. So on 15 minutes time frame. So this should be my liquidity point on SVS. I will do the analysis on Quick soon. So this is SVS. So on SVS, this is my liquidity point. Though some traders will be buying at this point now. But I'll use that point as my liquidity point. So let's continue. 15 minutes time frame. We'll turn overall bullish on SPS if we close here. If we close with a candle here, then if we close with a candle here, then just know that we are overall bullish on SVS. So what you have to do is any unmitigated order block below this point, just mark it out. Any unmitigated order block below here, mark it out and sell. Just know that no stop loss because this point is protected. This point will be protected. Then target will be your next target will be here. Be targeting this point. You'll be targeting here. And your stop loss will be here. Claim money. So it's better to wait for confirmation than to jump into a trade. So let's continue. So following the bearish movement on SVS, we got this sweep of liquidity here.
Why? Because every single day you are flying forward. You are
We got this sweep of liquidity here. After sweeping liquidity, we broke structure. So that was the current sell that's happening now that just broke structure. So this current sell just broke another structure. It broke structure, yeah. This is another break of structure. So we can also look for, let me go to 1 hour time frame. Can also look for a sell at this point. This means following market trend. Cannot look for a scalp sell at this point. We'll be targeting this, we'll be targeting here around this point. I will not be targeting this point again. I'll just be targeting maybe 50% of this point here. So that's it. So let's go. I don't like going to 5 minutes time frame charts, yeah, but we can buy also SVS at this point. So that should be our. I don't want to go to 5 minutes. 5 minutes sometimes can deceive someone sometimes. So even there was no valid break of structure though, but can take the buy to target here. To target here. So cake. So let me check mem. Mem has been bearish though, so it's just playing around our entry though. So let's just watch and expect a close here. If we get a close here, then just know that it is money. So let's look. Even here, there is a sweep of liquidity though. Not actually a sweep. Let's watch. Cake. 12 daily time frame, 12 hours. Let me use the normal cake. So monthly time frame. We have been bearish for a very long time on cake. And after a very long time, we broke kind of structure here. So we are kind of bullish on cake. So let me go over to weekly. On weekly time frame, we can see some reversal down. I go over to daily time frame. On daily time frame, nothing serious. We have this open close point, which can be a buy point here and also here. Okay, so let's continue. So on 12 hours time frame, we have this unmitigated wick, which market is currently tapping on now. Okay, we also have this liquidity point also with imbalance below. So I'll just mark my liquidity point here because many buyers are currently here now. So I have to watch that point. I'll go back to 4 hours. So on 4 hours time frame, I have this point as a point of interest. This point here as a point of interest. So I'll just, so currently this is 12 hours. This is 12 hours point of interest here. This point is currently 12 hours point of interest. And below this point of interest, we have imbalance here. So we can expect something like this. One, this is the first move. Second is like this, tap here, up. This is the two possible move on cake. So let me continue. So on 4 hours time frame, so on 4 hours time frame now, what are we seeing? On 4 hours time frame, 4 hours time frame. So we have this open close. We call this open close or hidden block. These two combination of a bullish candles, their combination is called an open close or a hidden block. And this hidden block has inducement. This is the inducement here. So this should be your buy. You can either buy here, can either buy at this point, because this is a trap. This unmitigated wick here is a trap. Is a trap. Many traders are currently buying here now. Many others are here, so markets can eventually or maybe take them out. But I might take my buy at this point with a stop loss here. The stop loss here. Due to the percent, I can use 10s or 5s. So anyone, but this should be my main buy. Like my main buy should be here. I cannot be considering buy at this point. I can, or it is possible to buy from this point, but this should, if I'm scalping here, I will not risk too much here. But here, I can risk good amount of money here. But here, I could just risk small money here at this point. So that's it. So this is the two possible buy on cake. Two possible buy on cake. With a stop loss here. So let me refine it much more and check if we can get a confirmation entry for the buy. So we'll go over to 3 hours time frame. So on 3 hours time frame, nothing serious. On 2 hours time frame, still this inducement point. This is kind of a trap for me. Though. But let's keep moving on. So let's go over to let's go over to 1 hour. So on 1 hour time frame, we can clearly see current market is currently on this other block. It is currently on this other block. So we go over to 45 minutes. Nothing serious. No sign that we are going to buy from here. Like no clean sign. On 30 minutes, no clean sign yet. On 15 minutes, we have this. For us to buy here, let me mark this point out. I want this place to be taken out for us to buy. If this point is taken out, then we can be looking for a scalp buy. So let me set my alert. So on 5 minutes, nothing serious. So if this place is taken out, then I can refine my buy at these points. So nothing much on cake, because this is kind of a trend line liquidity at this point. Trend line liquidity. So which other coin are we going to check?
Any coin, any pairs you want to check?
I think I'm seeing something on Cyber.
Then
Yeah, meme is just forming one kind bad boy here. Meme is forming one kind bad boy here.
Did you close it?
I think the consolidation.
No. It's not. If it hits my stop loss, it's not bad. So far as I followed my normal stop. But though this is another unmitigated block here. So we can still see something like this up. But my buy is still on. So you say which coin?
Cyber.
Who is there? What's next? Which coin?
Chat. Anybody?
Me too. I'm holding.
Another pairs. Want to analyze?
Which coin are we going to analyze?
Cyber. Check Cyber.
Okay, chat is saying Cyber.
Okay.
All those coins they form bad boys. Check. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Check Cyber. Cyber USDT.
I'm currently on Cyber now. So weekly time frame. So on weekly time frame, nothing serious. We are just bullish. We only swept liquidity here. We swept liquidity here. And we came into 50% of this other block, this unmitigated week. We came to 50% of this mitigated week. Okay, that means kind of a sell. So I go over to daily time frame. On daily time frame, we got this stuff. We got a sweep of liquidity and a break of structure. Kind of a break of structure here. So, and this is our inducement point. So currently, market just tapped 50% of that week that took out liquidity from weekly time frame. This was the week that cleared liquidity, this liquidity. So market came to 50% of it and it is tracing down. So we should look for more sales, stuff like that. So on daily time frame, I can just mark this place as my liquidity sweep. So after this, even markets also okay, it didn't enter this imbalance point. So on 12 hours time frame, this is kind of a trend line liquidity for me,
Okay.
which market will need to take it out before going up or doing any other thing. So we continue. Even markets, let's check 50% of this mitigated week here, this unmitigated week. Market also came to 50% of this unmitigated week. So we are kind of going down. So on 4 hours time frame, sweep of liquidity, break of structure. Okay, market also took liquidity from this low. Okay, interesting. So let's continue. 12 hours. Okay, on 12 hours, markets, let's just maintain the order flow here. Okay.
Did you watch your meme bad boy? It's pumping.
Who is there?
Yep.
We are here. We can
We
hear
are
you.
here. We can hear you.
Okay.
Okay, meme bad boy is pumping.
Let's watch the order flow at this point, this current stuff here. Let's watch the order flow. So market swept liquidity here. Okay, not actually a sweep.
Cal, sir, I love your talking style.
Market swept liquidity here.
Cal is very smart.
Went up. Also came here. Entered into 50% of here. Came into 50% of here. Also sweep of liquidity. So also came to 50% of this unmitigated week. So I'll mark here as my liquidity sweep. So this is my liquidity sweep here. Kind of a strong low stuff. Sweep here. And also a sweep here. So let's markets came, tapped into this unmitigated week. Now this
Carl.
current buy, yeah.
20% on mem.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
But when
Yes, I
too
already
small
told
now,
you.
17.
Bad boy is
We are
pumping.
still going.
15%. That's nice. So let me go back to mem to check it. So 5%.
Are we to take some partial?
Wait. Let me enter the chart.
Okay.
So on mem,
I booked 50%.
so your first TP now should be here. Don't close now.
No, I didn't.
Wait,
close. I just
let me
booked
confirm yet.
Okay, so I'm not booking profit right now. I'm just moving
Your
my
first
SL.
TP should be here. But depending on your risk, what you are risking, like the amount of money you are using. If because if you're using $1,000 now to enter this trade, that 17% is like $170 profit. So depending on what you are using, you can decide to close 50%, 25%. Because closing 25% means if you close 25%, maybe you are closing 25%, closing like $25. It will kind
What
of help you, like, will be like, okay, if this market hits my stop loss, at least
what is the fast TP, Kals?
my money, something like that. Like you're not losing anything if you take 25% profit. Do you understand?
Yep, I understand.
You can decide to
Yes,
take
yes, sir.
25%, but me, I'm not actually taking 25% now.
What is the first
I'll
TP,
either take
Kals?
25% at this point here. But let's just watch. So which one am I even analyzing? Self.
We are on cyber.
So on 4 hours, I'm checking the other few. So let me on 12 hours, yeah. So here now, markets came and tapped into this unmitigated week. So we keep moving. So on 4 hours. So let me just mark the order flow by break of structure now. So we got this break of structure. After break of structure, market came to activate here. We broke structure again. Not yet a break of structure yet. So what am I thinking? What can we do now? So for us to 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour time frame, we broke structure. So and I can't be thinking of more buys now because of this liquidity sweep here. But we can buy at this point here. Then this is our inducement. So let me go over to, so this is our buy now. So because this is also a strong low, it took liquidity from here. It broke structure. So this is our inducement. Then a buy at this point. So this is a buy at this point. My stop loss can be here. 1.85% risk. I'll just target, nothing serious to target here because kind of seems bearish. Okay, let me mark here. Also, on this 1 hour time frame, market came to tap into this unmitigated week. And we are left with 50% of this unmitigated week also. So this is another point of interest for me. Or just maybe 1% stop loss. Or this is another point. If I can enter this sell here, I will not be looking for buy again at this point. Let me go back to, this is what I will be expecting here. Yeah, this is the sell. Because this is an unmitigated week. Market only came to tap into it without tapping the 50%. So the 50% is also available for a sell. So that's it. Let me go over to 50 minutes. 15 minutes time frame. So just know that this place will go. Either here goes to activate here and then sell. That's it now.
Can I take a screen? Can I take a screenshot, Charles? Hello.
So that's it. It's just a clean chart on Cyber USDT. So you can also screenshot this one. Okay, down here, we can also see another imbalance. Here, this is another buy point to target here. Another buy point like this. Then down. So this is my bias on Cyber USDT. So which other coin?
Cause I'm seeing a scalp that we can do on SFP.
SFP.
I'm just seeing it in my trading view now from my phone. I marked it out.
SFP. Okay.
Charles, one guy is asking,
now.
sir, do you
So let's
have
just go. Let's do sharp
Charles? Hello.
overall time
Can you hear me?
frame analysis.
Hello, Charles.
So from this point, we swept liquidity. And we swept liquidity and we are currently tapping into this unmitigated week. So looking for buy now is kind of summer. So let me just go over to daily time frame. On daily time frame, after sweeping liquidity.
Hello, Charles. Hello.
Yeah.
Yep. One guy is asking for your Insta link. Can I provide him?
Instagram link.
Yep.
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Thank you.
So looking at on weekly time frame, we just swept liquidity at this point, this high. We have this high. Money are lying on the sides on top of these highs. So this market now came to take out the money on this high. So we should be looking for more of kind of a sell actually. So after taking out this point now, then we have this unmitigated week as a point of interest. So let me just remove it. I don't like all these too much lines on my chart. So I'll just mark this place as my sweep of liquidity. So because for market to go up, we should at least take out this place, take out this imbalance here. So I go over to daily time frame. So on daily time frame, we just came to take out this point. As we took out this liquidity here, market also came up to take out liquidity also on this high at this point. So it's kind of a sell movement for me. So I go over to 12 hours time frame. So on 12 hours time frame, nothing serious. I go over to 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, liquidity has been taken also. But this low here should be gone. This place should be gone. It should be my target in anything I'm doing. So I go to 3 hours here. On 3 hours time frame. So on 3 hours time frame, nothing serious. We only got this liquidity sweep here. Market came to take liquidity here. And also, market has taken liquidity from this point here. Okay, this is another important point for more sell. So I go back to 2 hours. So 2 hours. I'll mark this as my liquidity sweep.
Any trade? Yes.
So nothing
Yes.
serious.
FT.
I will only be expecting a sell around this above here to target this point here. So I go over to 1 hour. So 1 hour, nothing serious is happening on 1 hour. I go to 45 minutes, nothing serious. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, nothing serious. Okay, 5 minutes, 1 minute. Okay. The fact is that I can't. Are you looking for a buy for this SFP? The scalp buy is talked
I
about.
was looking for a scalp buy, but with what I'm
Okay, wait.
seeing now, nothing serious actually.
Nothing serious. Even this stuff that came up didn't even break structure. If this stuff would have done this stuff, broke
I
structure,
was
yeah.
looking
If this stuff would have broken structure, yeah, then we can then
it
look for a buy at this point to target this place, to target this point
as
here.
induce.
Yeah.
Okay, as inducement. Okay.
So let me take cake. Okay. Cake took out here. Okay. This is another point of buying here. Even though you want to buy, take here. This stop loss at this point is around 3%. So if it's better use like 5S or 10S. But just be patient. I'll update you when we are going to buy. I'll update when we are going to buy.
Any entry on this trade? Cake. What's the entry on this trade?
No entry yet.
Okay.
But if you want to take a risky buy, invest more money here, 2.086.
This will take a huge money.
Wait, I think I will take the buy also, but I'll use 10S for the buy.
Then I'm gonna use 5x.
Yeah. And when you take the buy, just target this point. Your target should be here. We are bullish already, so your target should be around 20%. 20. If you're using 5S now, targeting here, you should be getting like 20 times 5 is around 100, I think.
It's more than 100, I think.
Around 100% on your Binance. So you should be targeting this high. But if you're using 10S, you'll be targeting 200%. So let me just place my buy sharp so I can continue. But this kind of stuff to just snipe you and keep going up. So just use 5S. If you are taking the trade, use 5S. Me, I'm using 10S or 5S. I will not invest much because for me to enter, I will first of all wait for confirmation entry. 2.086. 2.086. Then stop loss 2.020. 2.020.
I'm smoking sour. Man,
So let me check. Let me go over to MEM. I know what MEM is trying to do. So MEM failed to break another structure. I'm still holding my position. I'm still targeting here. So let's go over to which one are we even analyzing? Cake or cyber? SBS, nothing. Right. Nice. Cake.
Cows, why putting order? You use stop limit or
Yeah,
stop market.
you stop it.
Okay.
So um, okay, so nothing serious and so. Let me check my forest there. APY. So maybe I'll do one last one.
Yeah, we have tried for today. We can just do one last. Wait.
Almost
So
almost 3 hour stream today. We got some good viewers too.
which coin are we going to check up now?
As you like.
Sound. Okay. SFP.
SAP coming for entry or what?
Wait.
I don't know the SAP entry.
No. I've not yet confirmed SFP.
Okay.
SFP is not valid for buy yet because me, I will not take it. Though market can come here and buy, but it's not like my kind of stuff. I will first of all wait for a book of structure for me to put my money on something.
Okay. So I am also waiting.
Yeah. So BTC, let's check BTC out. So BTC on monthly time frame. On monthly time frame, we are bullish on BTC. On monthly time frame, we are bullish on BTC. So I go over to, and let me add, I go over to monthly. Okay, on monthly, we are bullish. We swept liquidity here, broke structure, we are bullish. So I go over to weekly. On weekly, I can see this kind of stuff. Many buyers, many sellers are currently here targeting these points. But that was not what I wanted. So let's just focus on this point. Also, this week, let's check whether we have tapped into 50% of this week. Okay, we have tapped into 50% of this week. Okay, the sell is kind of looking good. So I go over to daily time frame. So on daily time frame, following the other flow, we swept liquidity here. it broke structure. All these things are traps. I'll call this stuff here trap. All this stuff here as trap. So we are currently going down. Self-liquidity. All this should be my inducement points. Inducement points. So I go back to 12 hours. 12 hours, 12 hours. We currently tapped into this point. This is unmitigated week. 4 hours time frame. We have been bearish.
Brother, watch meme. Watch meme for a moment.
Is it going up? Is it going up or down?
It's down. It's down, I think. Yep, it's down.
5 minutes. So, ma'am, this is another point of interest. Me, I'm not actually closing at this point. This point is another point of interest. I'm here as inducement, so you can still hold your buy. Yeah. Yes, and Forex now would have been taking more by itself, but you must just pick only one position. So at this point now, if market couldn't respect this point, it's just going for our stop loss price.
What's the top stop loss again?
0.018151. So we entered the buy so early, or just. But if this place can't hold again, if this unmitigated can't hold again, it is a stop loss.
Yep.
So that's it. Our mem has been bearish. Any other thing that's trying to come up here, we break this structure. Break this structure like this.
Still, we are safe.
Yeah, the market is volatile. It can come and hit our stop loss and then buy up. But I'll just maintain my stop loss. Nothing serious attached.
Let me close my mic. My son is screaming right now.
Market is kind of funny. It either does something like this. or move up from here. This is a trade of 1%. That means if you hit stop loss is around 20 something percent. SVS, nothing serious, new. Right.
It's 20 something percent.
Yeah, 20 something percent.
Max, what happened? Why are you breaking your door, man?
No, my friend just came in. Cows,
Yeah.
I think we conclude. I think we conclude for today. You have tried. You have really
Yeah. You
tried.
can end it. Make I go find what I go chop now.
Boss,
I don't
boss, you know
tire.
they cook now.
Nah,
But
I get food for my fridge. I go just microwave am.
it is sharp. I even
Okay,
chop as the class. I even chop as the class they go on.
now you dey enjoy now.
No, I go message you. I go DM you for something. So.
And let me check meme. Meme is
Okay,
just
check
a
before
stupid coin. Hit our stop loss or TP1. You accept them without
Now it's going up.
sweat. It's a stupid coin. Well, my normally my entry should have been here. Maintaining pulling order flow. Should have been here. This is unmitigated week. But I don't want to miss out. Just there's no problem, sir. So where's
TP
my
or SL.
I swear.
This one is sweeter.
Yo,
I'll go back and back.
How much? 200. Okay,
just
take care, guys.
yeah. Take care, guys. See you soon, guys.